Oras na kayo. Order. Let us continue. Research attendance confidence of the person present, professor, person,
Present.
regular member, provisional member, will persist. Provisional member, reducer, administrative person, member of secretary based on the attendance, there is Milano, please discuss the program projects and meetings.
Okay. Let's start. Obviously, the works project. First project, contract ID 26 FH0055. Convergence and Special Support Program, Basic and Structural Program, Multipurpose Buildings, Glass Facility to support social services, construction, completion of multipurpose building at Barangay District 3, 13.64283889 degrees, and 124.30305556 degrees. Solong, 13.65244167 degrees, and 124.29896944 degrees, and San Juan, AROYAO, with 13.63447500 degrees, and 124.31094167 degrees, San Miguel, Catanduanes, located at San Miguel, Catanduanes. The scope of work: construction completion of multipurpose buildings for 3 sites. Approved budget for the contract is 13,860,000. Contract duration 215 calendar days. License category C and D. License classification small b. Cost bidding document is 25,000 pesos. The key personnel for minimum work experience requirements for the key personnel are the following: project manager must have general experience for the same position of 3 years. Relevant experience for the same position is 2 years. For accredited contractors project engineer. Materials engineer requirement for general experience is 2 years, and 2 years also for relevant experience for the same position. For the construction foreman, we require general experience for the same position for 2 years, and also 2 years for relevant experience. And assign full-time safety officer for the construction safety and health personnel. For accredited contractors project engineer, we guided the department of the 227 series of 2024. Also for materials engineer, follow department of the number 98 series of 2016. Specifically for the classification and limits of assignment. For construction safety and health personnel, we guided of Dole Department Order number 13, series of 1998. Assigned full-time accredited safety officer and one for every project. Reminder to follow DO 241 series of 2024 guidelines on processing approval and reporting system of construction safety and health program CSHP for DPW's infrastructure projects. And for the minimum major equipment requirements are the following. For equipment, number 1, backhoe with breaker with capacity of 0.8 cubic meter we require for 1 unit. Number 2, dump truck, capacity of 12 cubic yard unit, one unit. For 1 bagger meter without capacity, we require 3 units. And materials minimum testing equipment, DO number 11, series of 2017, inclusion of the minimum material testing equipment in the technical component of the bid. We strictly comply the requirements prescribed under DO 9, series of 2012, dated February 27, 2012, and DO 58, series of 2012, dated August 12, 2012, also to include the requirements prescribed under DO 11, series of 2017, dated January 24, 2017, inclusion of the minimum materials testing equipment in the technical component of the bid and DO 127 series of 2018. Next, the second contract ID is 25F80118 with contract name of construction of school building San Roque Elementary School located at San Roque Elementary School, BATO, Catanduanes. Scope of work, construction of one-story, two classroom school building with steel casement window at rear portion with security grills for the front windows, water tank, cistern tank. But approved budget for the contract is 9,950,000. Contract duration is 152 calendar days. License category C and D. License classification small b. Cost of bidding documents is 10,000 pesos. For the minimum work experience requirements for the key personnel are the following. For key personnel, project manager, we have general experience for the same position of 3 years. Relevant experience for the same position is 2 years. Project engineer, accredited contractors project engineer. Materials engineer is 2 for general experience and 2 for relevant experience same position. Construction foreman, 2 years for general experience and 2 years for relevant experience same position. And assigned full-time safety officer for the construction safety and health personnel. For accredited construction project engineer, brigade of Department Order 227, series of 2024. Also for materials engineer, follow DO number 28, series of 2016, specifically for classification and limits of assignment. For construction safety and health personnel, brigade of DO number 13, series of 1998. Assigned full-time accredited safety officer, 1 for every project. Reminder to follow DO 241, series of 2024, guidelines on the processing, approval, and reporting system of construction safety and health program, CSSP, for DPW's infrastructure project. And for the minimum major equipment requirements are the following. For equipment, number 1, backhoe with a capacity of 0.80 cubic meter. Number units 1. Number 2, dump truck, 12 cubic yard capacity, 1 unit. And number 3 is 1 bagger mixer, 4 to 6 cubic feet per minute capacity, 2 units. Materials minimum testing equipment, DO 11 series 2017, inclusion of the minimum materials testing equipment in the technical component of the bid. Strict comply the requirements prescribed under DO 9 series of 2012, dated February 27, 2012, and DO 58 series of 2012, dated August 12, 2012. Also to include the requirements prescribed under DO 11 series of 2017, dated January 24, 2017, inclusion of the minimum materials testing equipments, the technical component of the bid, and DO 127 series of 2018. Contractors applicants who wish to participate in are encouraged to enroll in the DPW Civil Works Application CWA at the DPW Procurement Service, DRS, Street Law, Details Building, with Pacific Drive, Port Area, Manila. While those already enrolled shall keep their records current and updated. The contractor's eligibility to be on the project will be determined using the DPW's contractor profile eligibility process, or CPEP, and subject to further post-qualification. Information or registration can be obtained from the PRS during working weekdays from 7 a.m. to 4 p.m. or the DPW's website www.dpw.gov.ph. For laboratory equipment, strictly comply the requirements prescribed under DO 9 series of 2012, dated February 27, 2012, and DO 58 series of 2012, dated August 12, 2012. Also to include the requirements prescribed under DO 11 series of 2017, dated January 24, 2017, inclusion of the minimum materials testing equipment and technical component of the bid, and DO 127 series of 2018. Bidding will be conducted through competitive bidding procedures using a non-discretionary pass or fail criterion as specified in the IRR, otherwise known as the New Government Procurement Act, or NGPA. The contract shall be awarded to the lowest calculated responsive bidder, or LSTRB, who was determined as such. during post-qualification. Interested bidders may obtain from information from the DPW Catanduanes BE Procurement Unit Office and inspect the bidding documents of San Isidro Village, Catanduanes during weekdays from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. A complete set of bidding documents may be acquired by interested party August 1, 2026 until August 25, 2026. May also be